with a new product, and the product that I have today is a toy that I bought for my daughter like a couple of months back, and she has been playing with it for a long time right now. It's like every day she enjoys playing with it, and the toy is the Funskool Fundough Bakery set. So this is what I have, the Funskool Fundough Bakery set. So I would say this is an unboxing video, but it's a review video. Like after my child has actually used the product for so long. So today I'm going to review and tell you what all comes in this amazing set from Fundough and how beneficial it is for your child. So let's get down to the, first of all, the packaging of the product, the way it comes packaged. So overall the packaging has like it comes in a big cardboard box right here, and it has a Funskool branding right on top. And then here right at the bottom is a Fundough branding, and this is the name of the set, which is a bakery set. So it comes with a whole bakery unit in it. This toys are for 3 years plus, right? 2.5 years, 3 years plus can use it. If your child is below 3 years, make sure that it is done in parental supervision. So right now my daughter is 2.5 years, and I have given it to her because the preschool that she has joined has suggested her to use such things like the toys like Fundough, Play-Doh and stuff to improve her gross motor skills and her imaginative play and all. So it is very beneficial. So the school suggested us to buy her a Play-Doh set, and this is what I invested in, which is the Funskool Fundough bakery set. So what does it help you with? Basically different bakery theme molds. It helps your child explore their creativity. They help them to create their own beautiful bakery, imaginative players that pretend play, a lot of pretend play they can do through this. So it's an amazing toy here. So what all do we get in this? So this box has a lot of pieces to it. Like there's a bakery base unit with an oven in it, like a pretend oven definitely. Transparent cake display cover, weighing scale, bakery fascia unit, food mold trays, extruder nozzles, small cake stand, sticker sheet, paper cake boxes, paper cake box base, Fundough knife, laminated paper cake bases for serving cakes, Fundough tubs, 4 Fundough tubs that you get with this, and a sheet of instruction. So I have most of the things in this box right now because my child plays with it every day. Smaller thing like the paper cake boxes and all, she had lost it. She might have thrown it here and there, so I couldn't gather them all. But most of the parts of the toy are with me in this box, so I'm quickly going to show you. But all of it is available here for if you all want to look at what all is available. So you get these 4 colored Fundough tubs. This is the extruder with the nozzles. These are the trays, baking trays here. This is a Fundough knife. You get this whole base unit here. You get a scale, you get a display unit. So many things like attractive cake boxes you get. So it's use a turntable to decorate your cake, various things. So let's go ahead and open this and check out what all we have. So first of all, here I go, I open it up. First thing that I have here is an extruder with a nozzle. So this is a clay extruder with a nozzle right here. So you get 2 nozzles right now. I just have one. My daughter has lost the other one. So I have one here, which is a circular one. There's another star-shaped one which comes. So you get 2 nozzles with it. So you put in the clay here. You first put the nozzle, the one which you want, and you put in the clay, and then you use this injection type of thing to push out the clay in a long circular form. So that's what this is for. Then like I said, you get 4 Play-Doh tubs, 50 grams each Play-Doh. So you get 4 colors in it. You get yellow, you get red, you get blue, and you get a white. So you have 4 different tubs here, 50 grams each. So for those who don't know what Play-Doh is, let me just remove one and show it to you all. Yeah, this is what Play-Doh is. Basically, it's like sticky clay here, colorful sticky clay that the child can mold into any shape. This is exactly what Play-Doh is. And so we have different colored, we get 4 different colors here in this set: the red, blue, yellow and white. You can also buy Play-Doh separately, it's available separately also, you can buy it. I'll leave the link for that as well in the description. So if you want more colors, you can buy a whole set of colored Play-Doh as well. So that's what I bought separately as well for her. Next one is a weighing scale to weigh the cakes. You got a weighing scale here, so which moves and which actually gets them interested. You can see this, when you keep the cake on it, it will move. So this is what we get. Next up is a display cover. This is a display cover that we have for the cakes. I'll set it up and show it to you all in some time. Next we have is a clay cutting knife. A clay cutting knife is here. And then what we have is the main base unit. So guys, this is the base unit. This is the base bakery unit that comes with it. So this is how it looks, and this is the oven in it. So there's an oven also which opens, and then there are 2 trays inside it as well with molds. 2 molded trays inside in which you can make cakes and push it in. So it just goes in very well here, and then the oven door shuts. Then you also have a turntable here which turns with a wheel here to turn it to decorate your cake. That's it. This is a display unit. Right here we have the display unit. So here's the cover for it. This is the cover of the display unit that goes right here. So you just need to push it in to place. So this is our display unit is ready. You can put, after your kid makes the cakes, you can put it into the display unit. The weighing scale sits right up here. So after making the cake, your child can actually weigh the cake right here. Then after that, what we have is another display unit that goes right here, on which you can place the cake again right here. And then there are different smaller molds around here. One is a kidney bean shaped one here, right here. You can see that there's a kidney bean shaped one, a circle one and a heart shaped one here. And then we have some more molds here, a mold for a donut, a croissant, a cheesecake mold and a French Bouquet right here, a long bread mold right here. Then on this side we have 2 pie molds. On this side we have 2 pie molds, one here and the other one here. So many molds available for your kid to like make different types of cakes. And yeah, this is one more attachment that sits right up here, which needs to be attached here. So this is how it goes. So this is how the bakery unit will look from the outside, like the storefront of the bakery unit, right here with the display part of it. So this is a display area where all the cakes can be kept, and this is a back part of it where all the cooking will happen. Like here's the oven, here are the molds, here's the cake decoration part. You can keep the cake and decorate it and stuff. So yeah, this is a complete set. This is what we get in it. So let's quickly make one product and show it to you all. So right now we are going to make the French Bouquet. So I'm just going to put some clay dough into the mold, and this is how it comes out. So this is a French Bouquet or a long bread. You can see a Subway bread that we have made here. This is how it looks. So very detailed design it comes out in, which looks very pretty and nice. So very nice set for to help your child's imagination. Here from Funskool, the bakery unit is an amazing set. Also, don't forget to check out the other Funskool Fundough gift set that I have reviewed. That was also amazing. It had so many different shapes. You can check that out as well. Now coming to the price of this product, you all might be thinking this might be like so damn expensive, so many things in it and such a beautiful set. The price of this product is just rupees 649. That's the MRP of it, which is rupees 649 only. So if you all are looking to buy this bakery set for your kid, Guys, it's available online on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I'll let the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. So guys, if you all have any questions, if you all want to know anything about this set, about my daughter's experience of using it, put down a comment in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to that. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.